Greetings, my name is Jin and I'm going to teach you something about dynamic warm-ups today. Now, dynamic warm-ups is usually used before we start an exercise, but we can also use it between sitting down, during office work if you are not in the office or if you're working from home. If you just want to get the muscles going again, it's quite highly recommended that we take breaks, because when we sit for long or we work on something for long, it stiffens the muscles so tight, and so it's quite important to sometimes stretch or do a little dynamic warm-ups. Now, in my previous videos, I spoke about mobility and stability joints, so we are going to actually warm up according to those joints. It's pretty much in summary that your mobility joints are joints that you can move in multi-directional, and your stability joints are only unidirectional. So I'm just going to show you a basic warm-up or trying to relieve and de-stress the body.
Let's start off by easing our neck. So just tilting your head from side to side, take it all easy. Once you feel some adjustment, move it. Then followed by the shoulders, lift it up and down, then roll it back, opening up the muscles around the shoulders and into the back and the chest, so you can roll it forwards and backwards. And then now we move into the shoulders, grabbing your elbows, giving it a good hug, holding it there, feeling some side stretch. Now into your triceps, just hold the muscle for like a couple of seconds and that will do. If you want more, you can repeat again. And then now we just swing and shake the arms off, loosen up the muscles, swing in any way you want. I'm a swimmer, so I'm just doing the ones that I do. You can swing it back, swing it forth. And then now into your wrists, rolling it as it has a lot of freedom to movement. Also just stretching out the wrist and the forearms. So if you pull it back, you're going to feel some stretches. And then to the opposite side of your muscles, give it a good shake as well. Say hi maybe. And then the other side. Yeah, give it a shake. Next is into your back. So make sure when you rock from side to side, lift your heels off. You don't want to shake the lower back. If you want to, you can spin around. Do a little dance, a groove, then onto your hips. So hips has a lot more mobility joints. You can go around and round. One round and switch sides. The other round. Or you can keep going and going and going. And then now next is your legs. Give your quads a good stretch by grabbing the heels towards your bum. And then now into your hamstring, reach forwards, extend the knees gently. Toes can be up or down, doesn't matter. And then into a lunge to open up your hips. It's a more dynamic warm-up, so you're going to feel some heat on the front legs and a stretch on the back. Changing sides. Hold it for a couple seconds. Bring it to the front, lean forwards. And then stepping back. Smooth transition. Alright, onto your knees. Yes, you can rotate it, but just be gentle because it's your stability joints. And then shake off your ankles. Followed by the legs as well. Rotating the legs as well will mobilize the hips. Send some coordination and balance to your brains. Now onto your ankles, give it a good rotation. Or your balance as well. Changing sides. One way and the other way. Pointing down and up. Also engages the other parts of your muscles of your legs. And then take a nice deep breath in and release. And that is done on your dynamic warm-up. Toodles.